How to fix Fortnite freezing on PC. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can fix if you're experiencing lag on Fortnite. So the first thing you can do is go to your Fortnite settings, click on the three lines at the top left, and then from here go to the settings icon right above logout. Now go to your settings. Once you open up your settings, you can change your display settings. So the first thing you can do is turn off VSync. Right below resolution, you'll have VSync. Just turn it off and then go to your frame rate limit. So if you go ahead and set your frame rate limit, it might be causing the lag. So if you have low FPS, it will make the jittery movements and your game might seem like it's lagging. So you're going to have to increase your frame rate limit. So increase it to whatever your monitor or your screen supports to. Now, once that is done, you can open up your task manager. Once you open it up, all you have to do is keep running your Fortnite, and then from here, you're gonna have to go down below and find Fortnite client. Right click on it, and then go to provide set priority. Right below provide feedback, and you can set this to high or real time according to your need. The next method you can do is go ahead and search for graphic settings and then go to desktop app. Now locate where your Fortnite app is. And once you get here from binary Win64, select the file with the most file size, Fortnite client, and then double click on it to add it. Once you add it, go to options. And now you can set this to power saving mode if you are lagging and see if that helps. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.